this is Rapid Holding Systems, showing you our Rapid Holding Systems part number RHS-E4349. So this one is Rapid Holding Systems 4-in-1 CNC Pneumatic Multi-Chuck Station. This tool is designed by integrating EROWA type D100 pneumatic type chucks with their own base plates. These are mounted together in 2x2 fashion on a CNC base together to make a 4-in-1 multi-chuck station. All the 4 chucks are controlled by one switch. The switch is delivered with the tool. So the air line connections are on side, deliver the spigots with the tool. So this rapid holding system tool is equivalent to Erowa ITS System and is having the self-cleaning function. If you see, these chucks is having the small holes on the top of the chuck, that is for the air cleaning function. And this tool is great as it can have the 4 electrodes milled on a CNC machine center at the same time. Very cost effective and time saving solution. So this is our standard model with having the universal holes in the base plate. So this tool can be directly mounted on your CNC center, machine center. If you're having like a customized requirement for mounting the base station, we handle those requirements, and we provide a 3D model of the tool as well. The overall dimension of this tool is 330 by 290 and the overall height is 87 millimeters. The material of the tool, including the base of the tool, is stainless steel. So this is a great tool, and this listing is available on our website rapidholdingsystems.com. Search the part number RHS-E4349 for more details, and we will be glad to help you if you have any questions. Thank you.